Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Lauren Phillips from BASF. Today, we're going to explore how greenhouses work. You'll need 2 thermometers, a notebook and a pencil, a clear jar, a watch, and a sunny area.
Lay your thermometers in direct sunlight and let them sit for 2 minutes. While you wait, create a chart containing 2 columns, one labeled greenhouse and one labeled outdoor thermometer.
At 2 minutes, read and record the time and temperatures on your chart.
Now, put one of your thermometers in the jar and seal it, making sure it is in direct sunlight and not shadowed by the lid.
Record your temperatures every minute for 15 minutes. Did the container affect the temperature?
The air inside the jar is trapped and can't mix with the surrounding air. It just keeps getting warmer as the sun heats it up. A greenhouse works in a similar way. Solar energy in the form of light creates heat that can't escape the glass.
Go to abc11.com/Science Club to find more and visit us on Facebook to share your results. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.